Got kind of toasty out there in the sun.
Sure did, yeah. The system yesterday bringing in some Pacific air, which is warmer than those northers that come in this time of year. That system has moved into the south tonight and has really been nasty. There have been tornado touchdowns in Mississippi, in Alabama. One man killed by a downed tree in northern Georgia, and you can see the severe thunderstorms and the tornado watch boxes that continue to the mid-Atlantic tonight. So fortunately, that system really didn't get going in terms of severe weather till after it left Texas. We just got some much needed rainfall out of it. Now look at this. Some counties up here to the north of us, Abilene, Taylor, Jones County, for example, under a freeze warning tonight. Taylor County there. Now, we're not going to have a freeze warning in our area because, well, number one, we're not expecting it to freeze quite tonight, but we've already seen our first freeze in most locations, so those are only usually issued one time early in the season. We may see a freeze in some areas tomorrow night. Tonight, skies are clear out there. It is, or mostly clear anyway, 74 right now. At 8 o'clock, we're down to 64. At 10 o'clock, a pretty good temperature drop down to 57 as that colder air continues to filter in on what will be increasing northerly winds this evening. 70 in Fredericksburg right now, 72 in Llano, but 63 up in Fredericksburg, or rather in Lampasas. You can see the cooler air that is making it now down south. 70 in Georgetown, 76 down in Buda, 77 in Wimberley. In our eastern counties, most everybody still in the low to mid 70s. Cameron up there down to 66 degrees on the north side of that cold front. 74 in the city and 76 out at the airport. Winds, they've gone northerly now, 8 to 14 miles per hour. Sunset is at 5:33. Pretty soon here, mold count really shot up today in the wake of yesterday's rain, over 5,000 in the high category. 44 in Amarillo, 56 in Dallas, 65 in Waco. There comes the front. Not to Houston yet. It's 80 there. It's 81 down in the San Antonio area. That front, actually, the leading edge of it, moving through our metro area right now. It'll continue to progress quickly off the coast tonight. You will feel it by morning. It will be colder first thing in the morning with 40s area-wide. Then only 60s tomorrow. Not anywhere near 80 degrees like we saw today. But this will be a quick hitting cold weather system because warm air returns on increasing southerly winds quickly on Friday. That should also increase the clouds to the point that we could get some patchy fog, patchy drizzle in here by Saturday morning ahead of a storm system coming out of the west that also, we believe now, may track pretty far to the south across Texas early next week, maybe giving us some more rain. Well, it'll be a week from yesterday, exactly 1 week after this rain, next Tuesday. Temperatures tonight should fall into the, again, 40s area-wide, maybe the cold pockets in the hill country as cold as the 30s, and then no low 80s tomorrow. It may be 20 degrees cooler tomorrow afternoon where you are. Highs mainly in the low to mid-60s. Tonight, the winds kick up out of the north. The temperature in the morning falls to 45. A few clouds with the front, no rain. Clearing first thing in the morning, and then 64 is where I think we'll end up tomorrow afternoon in downtown Austin. And Friday morning, colder, 42. That could be a light freeze in parts of the hill country Friday morning. But then we really start warming. 70 Friday afternoon, back to 80 this weekend. And there's that chance of rain, maybe patchy stuff over the weekend. Not a big deal. Better chance of rain will come with the main system next Tuesday.